Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today is June 3rd, 2019. My name is Sabi, and this is today's market wrap-up. Our first piece of news features an acquisition. According to the Globe and Mail, the German semiconductor manufacturing company Infineon on Monday announced to sign an agreement to take over Cypress Semiconductors, strengthening its portfolio of physical interface technologies. This sets off technologies and expertise needed for numerous emerging sectors such as self-driving automobiles, industrials, and the Internet of Things. Infineon is set to pay $10 billion, and the cash offer for Cypress is $23.85, representing a 46% premium to Cypress's 30-day trailing VWAP, or volume-weighted average price. The deal would create an automotive leader with 13% market share, coupling Infineon's prowess managing electronic drivetrains with Cypress's superior connectivity in areas such as the in-car entertainment and software for self-driving vehicles. Immediately after the announcement, the Cypress share hiked up roughly 25% to $22.10 early this morning, while Infineon Tech were down 8% to €14.69. Moving on, some of the FANG members, including Google, Amazon, and Facebook, face mounting antitrust concerns. According to the Wall Street Journal, such giants could face more intense government scrutiny as regulators have decided that the Federal Trade Commission, or FTC, will oversee antitrust complaints over such companies. Antitrust regulations have remained a distant threat in recent years as scandals such as the Cambridge Analytica raise questions on the exploitation of privacy data. The Justice Department is exploring an investigation of Google's advertising and search business. In Amazon's case, the FTC is looking into whether the company's e-commerce platform edges out new competition. Though the scrutiny doesn't mean the official federal investigations have officially begun. Google dropped as much as 6% today, Amazon fell about 4.8%, and Facebook 7.7%. As for a final piece of news, the New York Times reported the Trump administration is considering the implementation of additional tariffs on imports from Australia last week. However, decided against the move amid fierce opposition from military officials and the State Department. Noted, some of Trump's decisions on tariffs was a response to the surge of Australian aluminum flowing into the United States market over the past year. According to Bloomberg, Trump opened another potential front in his trade war on Friday, terminating India's designation as a developing nation. The move eliminated an exception that allowed the country to export nearly 2,000 products to the U.S. on a duty-free basis, generating concerns over market access for the United States goods in India. The Trump administration said that it was imposing tariffs on steel and aluminum to strengthen American national security. However, critics argue that the approach strains relationships with allies that are far more prevalent than concerns on American defense. Now let's see what happened with the markets today. The North American markets posted moderate losses, with the TSX being down 0.13%, while the Nasdaq and S&P fall roughly 1.61% and 0.28% respectively. As for the European markets, there's a mixed picture. The FTSE is virtually neutral at 0.32%, the CAC 40 virtually neutral, while the DAX rose moderately at 0.56%. Moving on to the Asian markets, we see yet another mixed picture. The Hang Seng Index is neutral, while the ASX posted losses of nearly 1%. The Nikkei Index posted also moderate losses of 1% themselves as well. In terms of currencies, the Canadian dollar is down by 0.3% compared to the US dollar, up 0.22% against the euro, and down 0.08% against the Japanese currency. As for commodities, WTI and Brent remain neutral. The same apply for gold and copper, which exhibit little to no intraday change. That's all for today's market wrap-up. Thank you for listening.